Fajardo also was able to rest in that last game. Wow, what a
good
save.
dive.
And look at the liberos with their saves.
Oh, back row.
That's a nice set.
Oh!
Wow, that's a great rally. We saw, of course, Makandili, Katindig, and of course, on the other side, syempre si Kat Arabio din napakatalo.
But sayang yung
How Signal recognizes the sense of urgency that they need to really have, no, to embody coming into this game.
Chance here for Signal.
That's a good back set. Tusok na tusok. Erica Santos with their second point.
Joy was a bit late for that cross-court block. So there was an opening there. Diniin na lang nila sa cross-court. Against the PLDT high-speed hitters, that will be on Tuesday. Or Monday, rather.
They're taking notes sila. New setter. And PLDT now with a 5-point lead. So naiiwan na naman ang Signal. Good up there by Dawn Santos. And she will get that one perfectly targeted. Erica Santos. That's Spike of the Set brought to you by Dunkin Pasalubong ng Bayan. Kala mo magda-down. And this has been a long time coming, it seems. Si Joy Cajunas sat out for a while. Matagal-tagal din. Erica Santos will get the ball, and she will get a point off the bench. That's her 7th.
For the high speed.
And we've seen PLDT with 2 wins in a row.
Santos, cross-court.
Down the line, but this time cross-court naman in between 2 blockers.
And the first couple of bronze medal match and the gold medal winning match, and PLDT finished Cherry in 3 sets in that last game. And it looks like that is a little bit of a second wind here. Medyo nabuhayan si Erica Santos. She was taken out of the game for a while. Erica Santos
nails it in.
The win. They're at this point now where we're getting closer to the 25-point mark, and they already squandered their 3-point lead.